Hey, what's up guys? One Digital Dude here, and I am so excited to be doing this video. So today in this video, I will be taking you through your WordPress user management. I'll be showing you how you can assign roles to your users on your WordPress website. Now this is particularly useful if you need to assign a role to your client after designing your website, or if you offer subscription to courses or to blog posts on your website and you need your users to subscribe. This is very useful. So before I go into that, let me show you this. If you come here to this WordPress site, wordpress.org/support/article/roles and capabilities here, this explains user roles and capabilities in details. So if you come here, you can see WordPress uses a concept of roles to give owners ability to control what users can do within their site. So as a WordPress website owner, you can manage access to the following: writing and editing posts, creating categories, creating pages, and all that. So in your WordPress user management, there are 6 basic roles you can assign to your users. Here you have the super admin, administrator, editor, author, contributor, and subscriber, and each role has its own capabilities. So if I come down here, you can see the summary of each role. The super admin is somebody with access to the site's network administration features. The administrator has access to all admin features. Editor can publish and manage posts. The author can publish and manage their own post. A contributor is someone who can write and manage their own posts but cannot publish them. And you have subscriber. So I'm going to show you how to assign these roles in your WordPress dashboard. If you just designed a website for a client and the client wants to take over the website, you might need to assign an admin role to your client. So let me show you how to do that. Before you can begin to assign role to users on your WordPress website, you need to do this very important thing here. Come down here to your settings, come to settings, come to general. So under this settings here, look for this option, membership. Make sure you tick this option here. Anybody can register. If you don't do this, you won't be able to, even when you assign roles, people won't be able to register on your website. So make sure you do this. The default role is subscriber. So make sure you do this. Now let's go into assigning roles for your users on your WordPress dashboard. So under your dashboard, come to this option here, users. Here, just click on users. So it brings you to this new page. On this page, you can see the number of users you have in your WordPress website and the roles you have assigned to them. Currently, this website has just one user, WP Digital, and the role of this user is administrator, which is myself, and I've made like 3 blog posts. Okay, so to add new users, you can either come to add new here, or you can come here, come to the top. Let me remove all this notification here. Alright, so come here and click on add new. So it brings you to another page where you can input the details for the new user. So some fields are required, some are not. Username, I want to put One Digital Dude. Email is required. You can skip this 3 fields here. Now it auto generates a password for you, but you can decide to generate a password yourself. Make sure it's a strong password, and make sure you copy and save this password so you can send to your users. Also, if you click on this option here, send new users an email about their accounts. Once you create an account for them and you assign a role, they get an email letting them know that you have assigned a role to them, what the role is, password to access, and all that stuff here. So if you come down here, you can assign a role here. So let me come out to this page. You can see I said we have like about 6 major roles you can assign. in WordPress to any user. The super admin is the administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber. They all have their capabilities, permissions, and limitations on your website. They cannot do some certain things, and there are certain things they can also do. So here, so for this new user here, what did that do? Let me see. I want to assign the role of, so you might not see this on your own site, helping instructor. This is a course instructor. So let's say because I have courses on my website, so let's say I want to assign a new instructor, course instructor. I'll just do this, but I don't want to do that. Let me make this person an editor. So let's see the role of an editor here. So an editor can publish and manage posts, including the posts of other users in WordPress. So I can come here and add new user here. Also, let's say you've just finished designing your WordPress website for your clients, and the clients want to take over the WordPress website. You can come here and just give the client an admin role, but note that an admin role has access to all the admin features on your website. If your client is not familiar with the WordPress backend, let's say so someone reached out to me recently asking how he can assign a role to a client who doesn't want admin feature, but all the clients wants to do is just post blog on his website. So while you maintain the admin role, you can give the client an editor role here, or you can give the client an author role. So you can just give the client one of this role, but if your clients want complete access, just come here and click administrator. But let me put editor for this one, and I'm going to click on add new users. Don't let us forget, let me cancel this. Alright, so we have another user here. There's this guy here, one digital dude. He has the role of an editor here. So this is my profile. You can also check profile here. So there are a few customization you can do here. Your color scheme, you can choose to change it to something like this. So this is my public name. This is my nickname. So whenever this user, for example, makes a blog post, he posts as one digital dude. You can choose to put biography here about the user. The user can add a profile picture, set new password. Alright guys, so that is how you assign roles to your users on WordPress. As I mentioned, that when you give them roles, they have capabilities, permissions, what they can do and what they cannot do. So let's just quickly go through them. So for the super admin can create sites, delete sites, manage sites, and do all this stuff here. For the administrator, you can activate plugin, delete pages, delete posts, edit private posts. The administrator also has a lot of roles. You can export pages, blog posts, import, list users, manage categories. You also have capabilities for the editor. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to include this link in the description for this video, so you can click on this link, go to this page and read up on what capabilities you can give each user, so you are sure of what role you are assigning to your users. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you're the first to receive notification when I share and post new videos. Alright guys, so before you leave, I want to introduce you to this amazing course that will help you to make money designing better graphics for brand. If you're a small business owner or if you're a designer, this course will also help you design better graphics for your brands or the brands you manage. This course is particularly important for social media managers, digital marketers, designers, virtual assistants. If you're working on a budget, you will need this course. Also, with this course, you will no longer outsource any graphics design job to any other designer, because you'll be learning how to do them faster and creatively. So to get access to this course, use this link showing on your screen right now. I would also put the link in the description below. Alright, so when you visit the link, it brings you to this page here, the complete Canva design course. This is an amazing course by a Canva verified designer, Honor. I have made money myself creating social media content and designs for brand just using Canva alone. So if you come down here, you can see this course goes for 20,000 naira, but is offering it at the rate of 15,000 naira right now, which is a very, very good offer. Alright, so these are some of the things you would learn in this course. There's introduction to Canva. There's the part 2 that covers creating your first design, editing photos in Canva, designing business letterheads, business cards, designing social media graphics. The last part here, which teaches you how to schedule posts, create animations in Canva. You can come down here and see some of the reviews from participants who have taken this course. Canva is such an amazing tool. You can use it to do almost any kind of design, but it is best if you learn from the expert. So guys, just come here and place your order for this course and begin your journey into creating amazing designs for brands.